Hi, this is the circuit representing the finite state machine for the light following robot. This is lab 2. So, as you can see, we have 5 LEDs and 5 buttons. Each LED is connected to one of these pins and looped back around to ground. Each one of these buttons is connected to an analog pin on this side of the Arduino and uses a pull down resistor so that when I push the button, the voltage jumps to about 5 volts and I'm able to turn the LED on. So each one of these signals coming from any of the buttons represents a signal that the robot is going to use as an input. So for the middle, it's going to represent a collision. So when the robot detects a collision, it will receive a signal. The one to the left or the right of it, this is when the robot detects light to the left, telling it to move left. And this is when it detects it on the right, telling it to move right. Now, the robot is not allowed to move to the right or the left. It needs to stop moving whenever there's a collision. So whenever I have this button pressed, I can't press either side. The 2 buttons on the far right and far left are the signals for when it detects light below or above. So when I press the button, it receives the signals, and the state machine is separate from these 2. So independent of what I press in the middle 3, I can still turn one of these on. However, both of these can't be turned on at the same time. When neither of these are on, it's in the 3rd state, which is when it detects no light, and thus does not need to move the sensor up or down, because that's the purpose of these 2. So if I press them at the same time, then it goes to state 0, well, when both of them are off.